How to fix no sound on Instagram stories and posts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, launch the Instagram application or make a long press on Instagram and then tap on app info. As you do that, scroll down and tap on app permissions. Make sure that you have given the access to all the required options over here. Now as you do that, go back and then launch the settings application on your device. Then tap on sound and vibration and make sure that you have your volume adjusted to the maximum. Then scroll down and make sure that your phone is not in a silent mode or do not disturb mode. So let's toggle off the DND mode and then get back. And now you can just relaunch and see if the issue has been fixed or not. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.